Welcome back to Querinfer. Today I'm going to tell you an interesting method of shifting your column from one place of your report to another in your Excel file. So you have been using a typical method which I am going to demonstrate, but wait till the end when I will tell you the magical method. So this is your most common use method, either with the help of shortcut keys or with the help of mouse. So let's assume that we want to move revenue column between date and quantity column. So we'll just right click on this column, press cut, and then move to the quantity column, which is column F, right click on it and insert cut cells. So this is our typical method. Let's press undo and do it in the magical way. Now I am going to select only area of my report and not the complete column. So I am going to select this data area only, and with the help of mouse I will select this column from one side, double click on it and then drag it to the left side till I have reached the quantity column. And now instead of leaving my mouse there, I will press shift and you will see the cursor has changed automatically, and now it is showing that it is going to insert something between date and quantity column, and I am going to leave my mouse there. So the magic has happened and the revenue column has been inserted without the help of right clicking or cut or inserting options. So I hope you have liked it. Do give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.